In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a class code in Google Classroom. This is a straightforward process, but it's essential for sharing access to specific classes quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a teacher needing to distribute codes to students or a student ensuring you have everything set up correctly, this guide will help you navigate the process seamlessly. Let's start by heading over to Google Classroom. Open your browser and visit classroom.google.com. Once you're there, make sure to sign in with your Google account. You want to ensure you have the appropriate access, so using the correct account is key. If you have multiple accounts, double check that you're logged into the one that is connected to your class. After successfully logging in, you will be brought to your dashboard. Here, you'll see thumbnails of all the classes you're enrolled in or teaching. Now go ahead and click on the class for which you need to copy the class code. This will open up the specific classes stream, where you can find all information and activities related to that class. Once inside the class page, direct your attention to the left side of the stream. Here, under the class name, you should see the class code displayed prominently. This is a quick option if you just need to eyeball the code. However, if you want to ensure you copy it exactly, there's another reliable method. Let's go through this alternative approach. At the top right corner of your screen, there's a gear icon representing the settings. Click on this icon, which will open the class settings menu. Scroll or glance through to the general section of the settings. This is where other crucial class settings are managed and, importantly, where the class code is also listed. Now here's where it gets very user-friendly. You'll notice once you're hovering over the class code, a small copy icon resembling a clipboard appears. This is a neat tool designed for copying the code seamlessly. Give that copy icon a click, and just like that, the class code is transferred to your clipboard ready for use. With the class code now securely in your clipboard, you can paste it wherever you like. If you're on a Windows device, press Ctrl+V, or if you're on a Mac, use CMD+V. This allows you to share the code via email, document, or any messaging app of your choice, ensuring the right people get access to your class. And that's all there is to it. You've now mastered how to copy a class code in Google Classroom, empowering you to manage your digital learning spaces with ease. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide makes your Google Classroom experience a little bit smoother. Remember to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.